So we are solving 8 minus 6 plus 4 all over divided by 5 minus 8. So first of all, numerator first, right? Then denominator, right? So subtraction and addition from left to right. So minus first, so 8 minus 6 equals 2 and plus 4, right? Now all over divided by 5 minus 8. Now 2 plus 4 equals 6 divided by 5 minus 8. Now 6 and 5 minus 8 equals minus 3. Keep the negative sign. Now 1 and 3 times 2 equals 6, right? So the result is 2, but keep the negative sign.